Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of our podcast, where we celebrate the beauty and diversity of Africa and its entrepreneurs.
That's right, Brian. And today we have a special guest joining us, the co-founder of I Love Being African Marketplace and a passionate advocate for African entrepreneurship, Aim Wade.
Thank you for having me, Brian and Sarah. It's a pleasure to be here.
Aim Wade, we're thrilled to have you on the show. Today, we want to dive into the importance of unity among African entrepreneurs and how platforms like I Love Being African Marketplace are fostering that sense of community.
Absolutely. Aim Wade, could you share with our listeners why you believe that life is better when everybody is united under Africa?
Of course, Sarah. Africa is a continent rich in diversity, in culture, in traditions, and in entrepreneurship. But what truly sets us apart is our ability to come together, to support one another, and to celebrate each other's successes. When African entrepreneurs across the globe unite, incredible things happen. New partnerships are formed, innovative ideas are born, and together we can overcome any challenge.
That's so true, Aim Wade. And platforms like I Love Being African Marketplace play a vital role in bringing African entrepreneurs together. Can you tell us more about how the marketplace is helping entrepreneurs connect and support each other?
Absolutely, Brian. I Love Being African Marketplace is more than just an online platform for buying and selling goods. It's a community, a celebration of African culture, and a hub for entrepreneurship. Through our platform, entrepreneurs can showcase their products to a global audience, connect with like-minded individuals, and access resources and support to help them succeed. It's about fostering collaboration, not competition, and empowering African entrepreneurs to thrive.
I love that, Aim Wade. It's all about unity and collaboration. And what better way to celebrate Africa than by supporting African businesses and entrepreneurs?
Absolutely, Sarah. And listeners, if you want to be part of this incredible community and support African entrepreneurship, be sure to check out I Love Being African Marketplace. Together, let's celebrate Africa and all that it has to offer.
That's all we have time for today. Thank you to our special guest, Aim Wade, for joining us, and thank you to all our listeners for tuning in. Until next time, stay united and keep celebrating Africa.
Bye for now, everyone.